Gradiant is a Spanish ICT technology center that aims to improve the competitiveness of companies by transferring knowledge and technologies in the fields of connectivity, intelligence, and security. Gradiant is leading the Galician Didactic Factory experiment within the AI REDGIO 5.0 project. This Didactic Factory initiative is being promoted through a collaboration between Gradiant, GAIN, DATAlife, and AIMEN, aiming at synchronizing efforts and proposing a unified strategy and vision for Industry 5.0 in the region of Galicia. The AM Pilot Factory is part of the facilities of the RTO AIMEN. Thus, the Didactic Factory is leveraged on this AIMEN's physical manufacturing infrastructure and driven by Gradiant's technical expertise in the field of AI and orchestration at the edge. The motivation of this experiment is to create a site to showcase and test edge and AI novel technologies so companies and students can learn their use for their own purposes. The particular use case for this pilot is the monitoring of a digitalized metal additive manufacturing cell for early defect detection via AI at the edge. The system developed provides real-time anomaly detection during the manufacturing process, enabling the process to be corrected without waiting for the final quality inspection and thus avoiding the potential discard of the part. The implementation of the experiment faces two main challenges. The first one deals with the provision of real-time analysis through AI algorithms of multimodal data collected from the manufacturing process. The second one deals with how to manage the orchestration of these AI models along the cloud edge continuum following cloud-native principles. With all this in mind, this pilot was integrated into Gradiant's Clever platform, a solution with modular functionalities that aims at supporting companies in the adoption of Industry 5.0. Within the scope of the experiment, a cloud edge orchestration framework has been developed that allows running the corresponding AI anomaly detection model at the edge, providing real-time monitoring of the process. Let's see now the experiment in action. The human operator can access the platform through a browser. The configuration module allows the definition of assets which are linked and retrieved from OPC UA servers configured in the platform. All the data that is exposed by AIMEN's OPC UA server is collected by the Clever platform. In particular, the image of the tomography is processed by an image processing module developed in the experiment and integrated in Clever to retrieve relevant variables for the AI model, such as the melt pool area and the deviation of the melt pool center coordinates. The experiment system has been integrated with the Data for AI tool developed in AI REDGIO 5.0's WP4. This tool monitors the outputs of the experiment's image processing module, providing alarms and reports based on the stability of the data coming out from the image processing component of our system. The user defines in the platform an analysis application for the additive manufacturing use case. An AI model to be used has to be selected among the ones available in the MLflow framework that is connected to the Clever platform. For this experiment, an autoencoder AI model has been developed and registered for the anomaly detection. The edge location where the model wants to be served is chosen as well, together with the input variables that will be provided to the model. Clever's architecture is prepared to run both batch and streaming data analytics tasks. For this pilot, the user defines first a streaming task so the monitoring can be performed in real time. After the corresponding task is scheduled and starts running, the user is able to monitor the results in the UI. Beyond this demonstration, this AI REDGIO 5.0's experiment is providing significant benefits to Galicia's industrial environment. It has allowed the consolidation of the collaboration between Gradiant, AIMEN, GAIN and the DATAlife EDI for the creation of the Galician Didactic Factory, allowing these entities to provide services for companies and students that want to test and learn about cutting-edge technologies. Through this initiative, the purpose is to foster the economic growth of the region while syncing efforts between European projects. In this case, a synergy has been established between this AI REDGIO 5.0's Didactic Factory and the test and experimentation facility that AIMEN is setting up within the AI Matters project. The KPIs for the experiment have been met, exceeding the number of visitors to the new Didactic Factory set at the start of the project, both by companies and student organizations.